back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be something a little bit different. I literally just woke up, haven't even brushed my teeth yet, I haven't washed my face, haven't done a single thing. If you guys follow my sister, you would have maybe seen on her YouTube channel a couple weeks ago. She did a transformation video. She told me that I should film one, so here I am. Basically, I wanted to film a video kind of similar to this, just in some way, because I'm cutting my hair today. I didn't really know like how to film it or what to call it, so Avery suggested that I do like a transformation. You guys will see everything I do in the next 24 hours to go from this to something that hopefully looks a little bit cuter. So I'm super excited because one, I'm cutting my hair today, and two, this video is actually sponsored by The Real Real. Honestly guys, this is the perfect company to sponsor this video because this company will help you glow up. It is a luxury consignment website and app, so they have brands like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, like Gucci, all the fancy brands for up to 90% off of retail price. The pieces that I got are so freaking cute. I'm so excited because they're actually brands that I look at and I'm like, oh, I want to shop those brands, but they're a little bit expensive. So the fact that I got everything discounted is amazing. I'm gonna have the link down below. I'll talk about it later in the video. But before that, first things first, we're going to cut my hair. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that my mom used to be a hairdresser, so she actually is one who does my hair. So I'm gonna have a really great filming setup in the bathroom. As you guys can see, my roots are seriously horrible. Ever since my mom moved away, I get my hair done like way less often. So we're gonna just touch up my roots, and I'm also gonna cut my hair. I'm literally gonna chop it like up to here. It's just like an awkward length. Like I just hate it. So I think I'm literally gonna chop it like this short. This is the before of the hair.
I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that?
10 inches.
I want it shorter than that though.
I know. It's gonna be even more.
Tip your chin straight down.
You
ready?
haven't even cut it
I'm
yet.
scared.
Do you want me to or not?
I do.
You've already had short hair before.
I know.
Well, decide. I don't want you to be like hesitation.
No, do it.
No, I feel bad. No,
I want you to. Oh my gosh.
Heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow.
Okay guys, so this is the after of my hair. I'm so excited. I love it. So today I'm actually flying home. This video will continue when I get home.
I'm going crazy.
Okay guys, so it is the next day. I flew home last night and now I'm actually gonna be like getting ready for the day. I showered, shaved my legs, did all that stuff. The next most important step in my glow up routine is self-tanner. The key to self-tanning, if you guys haven't ever done it before, is to use a mitt. Mine is really dirty. So I use self-tanner pretty regularly just to give myself like a little bit of color, a little bit of a glow, especially now that fall and winter are here. And I do put it on with no clothes in front of the mirror so I can make sure that I'm like not missing any spots. So that's why I didn't film it. But next I'm going to get dressed for the day. I'm so excited to try on my outfits because I actually have not tried them on yet. So we are just gonna go see what they look like. Okay, so these are the 4 items that I ordered from The Real Real. So I'm so excited for both of these dresses. This one is by Ulla Johnson. I have seriously been wanting to own a dress from this brand for so long, but they're just like a little bit pricier than I like to usually spend. So I'm so excited I got this one for a discount. And then I also love Faithful, the brand, but again, it's like a little bit pricier. I also got this cute little bag. This is by Rebecca Minkoff, which is another brand I love. And then these cute little slip-on shoes are actually also by Rebecca Minkoff. Okay, so here is what the Faithful, the brand dress looks like on. It's so pretty. Their dresses are such good quality, so I love this. So this is option number 1. I'm so obsessed with this dress. It's so freaking pretty. I think this is what I'm gonna wear. I'm just gonna throw on a cardigan if I end up like running errands today. I also have the little bag paired with it, and then also the shoes. I'm gonna have The Real Real linked down below if you guys wanna check it out. Like I mentioned earlier, they have a ton of brands on there. Literally anything that you need to glow up, they have it. Next, I'm going to be doing hair and makeup. These are like my second day curls from yesterday. They really did not stay in very well. For today's look, I'm going to be doing my normal like foundation eyebrow routine, and I've already filmed that, so I'm just gonna go quick through that part and I'll link it down below if you guys want to see like an in-depth version. So I'm gonna try something different on the eyes. Hopefully it turns out good. You guys know I am not a makeup artist.
5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak.
Okay, so my face makeup's done. I just put on this white clay pot. It's actually an eyeliner, but I'm gonna use it as like a base for the eyeshadow. I have this other one. This is a chrome pot. It's like a pink color. So I'm gonna put this on my lid. I think it'll be really fun. I'm gonna just do matte brown in the crease. Then I'm taking the pink. I'm just putting this on my lid. Then I'm gonna take this one, put this in the crease too. Just kind of making this up as I go. So then I'm just gonna take this light one and just do this underneath my brow bone really quick. And I think that's gonna be it.
Ready for that heartbreak?
I wanted to use this lipstick. This is Angel by MAC, but I realized I've had this literally since probably my sophomore year of high school, which was like 8 years ago. So I think I'm probably just gonna throw that away. This is the normal lip thing that I use. This is just a Tarte Lippy in Whisper. So I'm gonna use this instead because I know that it's not old. Okay, so this is my complete look. This is pretty much my version of full glam. I don't really go too insane. Now we're gonna move on to the hair. Okay, so yesterday I had my mom cut these extensions that I just got to the length of my hair. So I'm gonna put these in. They don't add any length. They're just gonna add thickness. I wore these yesterday and I freaking love them. They're the Barefoot Blonde Hair little like 2-piece set. So they're really, really thin. It's just these 2 pieces to just add some thickness. So I will link these down below, but I'm gonna attempt to put them in my hair. I'm gonna put product in my hair first. Dry shampoo, use this every day. I even use this when my hair's clean. It just adds a lot of texture. I'm also gonna use this powder. This stuff is the best. It's kind of like dry shampoo a little bit, but kind of different. So I just put it in my hand and then like do this and then just rub it in. This gives your hair so much texture. It's actually kind of crazy. So I'm just putting this all over. For my hair, I'm using this 1-inch curling iron. Probably just touch up a couple of pieces. What I like to do is wrap it around and then kind of move it up and down and leave the end out and let it go, and then I'll just like shake it out.
Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we.
Okay, that only took me like 2 minutes, which I'm so freaking happy about because that is the reason I cut my hair. It is so much easier and faster to do your hair. So the last thing I actually need to do is paint my nails. I don't always have them painted, but my toenails are not painted right now, and that is something I just cannot live with. So I'm just gonna paint my nails. I have a gel light, and I'll show you guys the polish I'm gonna use. It's this one. It is seriously like the prettiest color, but I actually have to do like 7 coats. So it's probably gonna take me like 30 minutes, but that is the last step in my glow up routine.
Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak.
Okay guys, so I am finally all ready for the day. 24 hours later, I'm looking a lot cuter than I did yesterday. Got my hair curled, my makeup's done, my nails are painted, got my new outfit on. And I think that is going to be it for this video. So let me know if you guys liked it. It was just like super casual kind of vlog style. So let me know if you guys like that. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to check out The Real Real. The link is down below. And that is all. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.